Hi, this is Tilly from activityvillage.co.uk and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute origami elephants. With your paper colour slide down, fold it in half diagonally, both ways. Open out the paper and fold one of the corners into the centre point where the two lines cross. Now turn the paper over and fold in the two corners next to the one you just folded in into the centre crease. Now flip your piece of paper over and fold this edge in to form a crease from that corner to that corner, but making sure that this flap comes out. Now repeat on the other side, again making sure that the flap sticks out. Now fold this trunk upwards and then immediately down again like that. Turn in the top corners to round the top of the elephant's head and turn it over. Add some googly eyes and your elephant is complete. For more fun crafts and activities, go to activityvillage.co.uk.